Ah, the digital age. It's a time when technology is seamlessly integrated into our daily lives, transforming the way we work, play, and communicate. We are surrounded by remarkable tools and gadgets. From smartphones to tablets and laptops to smartwatches, these devices are now essential parts of our everyday toolkit. These tools make our lives easier and more enjoyable. They help us stay connected with loved ones, entertain us, and even assist in our learning and professional endeavors. One such tool is the screen recorder. It's a game changer for anyone looking to capture their digital activities. Imagine capturing your screen just like that. Whether you're creating tutorials, recording gameplay, or saving important video calls, screen recording is incredibly useful. Screen recording has become essential in many fields. It's not just a tool for tech enthusiasts, it's a necessity for professionals, educators, and gamers alike. Gamers use it to record their victories, share their gameplay, and even create content for their followers. Students use it for online lessons, capturing lectures and tutorials to review later, ensuring they never miss a crucial point. Professionals use it for presentations, creating detailed walkthroughs and recording meetings to share with colleagues. But finding the perfect screen recorder can be tricky. With so many options available, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Fear not. Surflex Screen Recorder, developed by Nabla Mind, is here. It's designed to meet all your screen recording needs with ease. This nifty tool is designed with user-friendliness in mind. Its intuitive interface ensures that even beginners can start recording in no time. It is perfect for anyone, from beginners to tech wizards. Whether you're recording for fun or for work, Surflex Screen Recorder has got you covered. Surflex is more than just a screen recorder. It's designed to be your ultimate companion for all your screen recording needs. It is a comprehensive tool with many features that cater to both beginners and professionals alike. It allows you to capture your entire screen or just a portion, giving you the flexibility to record exactly what you need. You can even record your webcam and microphone simultaneously, making it perfect for creating tutorials, vlogs, or presentations. The intuitive design makes recording a breeze, ensuring that you spend less time figuring out how to use the software and more time creating content. Start and stop recording with a single click, making the process seamless and efficient. No need to fiddle with complicated settings. Surflex is designed to be user-friendly, so you can focus on what matters most. Surflex takes care of everything for you, from managing recording tasks to ensuring high-quality output. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Surflex is packed with advanced features for those who need more control. Underneath its user-friendly exterior lies a powerful engine that can handle even the most demanding recording tasks. Surflex boasts a range of features that cater to all your recording needs, whether you're capturing gameplay, creating tutorials, or recording meetings. One of Surflex's standout features is its versatility. You can choose to record the entirety of your screen or focus on a specific area. This is perfect for highlighting specific content or creating tutorials. Need to add a personal touch? Surflex allows you to incorporate footage from your webcam. This is ideal for creating engaging presentations or recording video messages. And for those who love to explain as they demonstrate, Surflex offers simultaneous microphone recording. Provide clear and concise narration effortlessly. Section 4. Customization, making Surflex your own. Surflex understands that everyone has different needs. That's why it comes packed with customizable settings. Tailor the recording experience to your liking. Choose from various video formats and resolutions. Don't like the default hotkeys? No problem. Surflex allows you to customize them to your preference. Set shortcuts for starting and stopping recordings, pausing, and more. Furthermore, Surflex enables you to choose the audio input source. Select your preferred microphone or opt for system sounds. The control is in your hands. Section 5. Surflex, your digital Swiss Army knife. Just like a Swiss Army knife, Surflex is designed to be your go-to tool for all your screen recording needs. Whether you're a professional or a beginner, Surflex has something for everyone. In conclusion, Surflex Screen Recorder is an all-in-one solution for all your screen recording requirements. It combines a variety of features into one seamless package, making it the ultimate tool for capturing your screen activities. Its user-friendly interface makes it incredibly easy to use. You don't need to be tech-savvy to get started. The intuitive design ensures that you can navigate through the software effortlessly. even if you're a first-timer. You'll be recording like a pro in no time. The built-in tutorials and guides are there to help you every step of the way, ensuring a smooth learning curve. But what truly sets Surflex apart is its versatility. From recording gameplay to creating tutorials, it adapts to your needs. Whether you're a gamer, a teacher, or a content creator, Surflex has got you covered. Surflex handles it all with ease. You can switch between different recording modes effortlessly, capturing high-quality videos every time. The customizable settings provide you with complete control over your recording experience. Adjust the settings to suit your specific needs, whether it's resolution, frame rate, or audio quality. So why wait? Unleash the power of Surflex and elevate your screen recording game today. With Surflex, the possibilities are endless. Start creating amazing content and share your screen recording journey with the world.